In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams using the simplest method available. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important message or want to make sure you're getting the most out of Teams, this guide is for you. Let's go through the process step by step so you can manage your messages confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, go to the Teams website, click Sign In, and enter your credentials, your email, and password. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Teams dashboard. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Next, locate the conversation thread where the message was deleted. Depending on your chat activity, you might need to scroll or search. Once you find the chat, you're close to recovering that lost message. Microsoft Teams has a user-friendly feature for recently deleted messages. When you click on the thread, you might see a small banner that says Undo Deletion. This option appears only briefly after a message is deleted. Click it, and your message will instantly be restored to the chat. If the undo option isn't available, there's another approach. Teams doesn't store a long-term history of deleted messages, so regular backups or third-party solutions can be invaluable. Periodically saving your chat history ensures that you have a copy in case you need to recover messages later. Always consider company policies and data privacy before using third-party tools. Now that you know how to restore a message or prevent losing one, remember that caution is key. Pay attention when deleting messages to avoid mistakes. By adopting these habits, you can manage your Teams conversations more efficiently. Following these steps allows you to recover deleted messages, stay organized, and maintain peace of mind while using Teams. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that important information isn't lost and your communication remains seamless. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever needed and make the most of Microsoft Teams intelligently. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to enhance your digital experience.